Nhất xa sự hợp chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hả nghe, lại phim ngay sẽ.
Và có bài bên nghe. Nơi thì bro chính em ngáp xin nhớ tay tay pop. Bất kỳ cầm bà chungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Lembaga Jylla Konrad K. Sangma hak arpulai trek urempang arja punriau ulaong baka Sorkar Jylla kelawat lap dan penduna ya ke jingdon kam ke basispa hektar. Nak bentaban pi dewyong ket kum ke juk start sayan badia turu baka jia keren halor kene kerang ya cekmat ban penduna na ke sispa hektar syakisipau hektar. Hak jia keren bagi lap thai kubor Menteri Lembaga ulaong bakani ke jia keren kalong namar ba ke Sorkar ke habat perkhat ru nak benta ki Nongtih Marpoh Khyndew Kiba buat ru pakajinya keren mentah kerang ya cekman. Ula batai ru ya kajik pen bana hak rukom ai license bat ka rukom ti Marpoh Khyndew kat kum ka juk start sayan kum ka sinjam ka bakraba da ka ba benrap ba ka Sorkar kala bishar penya kumnu ban penduna ya ka jingdon kam ban ti ya ki Marpoh Khyndew kam tam yo dewyong na hispa le si syakasan pau lani syakishpau hektar.
No, there are cases, obviously, if something happens without the information and without the normal procedures being followed, obviously it impacts revenue. So there is no doubt about it. But we keep mentioning that, that we are, it's a very complicated situation. And we are trying to work towards, ensuring that we are able to transition into a scientific process. So we are now, as I said, very close to it. In fact, mining has started in one or two of the locations. So we'd expect that things will be in the right direction in the coming years.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.